Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to add the out there mode widget to your OnePlus 15. So actually, this process is very easy. At first, scroll to the control panel from the top right corner to the middle of your phone, and now tap this pen icon right here. Tap plus and scroll all the way down here. Now search for app controls and tap the outer mode to add at first the control to the outer mode. Now, once it's done, hold the finger on the outer mode. You don't have to enable this option, just tap Add Home Screen Widget and tap Add. Now, as you can see, your widget is here. Actually, that's it. Now, if you want to, for example, delete this widget, hold this finger in it and you can tap either rename or remove widget. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!